Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to disable sensitive content on Telegram. First of all, you can open any browser that you use. I can open Google. So now you can tap on search here. And after this, you can just simply search Telegram web. And you can just simply click on the first link, Telegram web, and after a few seconds of loading you can just simply now tap on the first link, and here you will just simply log into your Telegram web account by entering the country or phone number, or enter a verification code that you received, and after this you will see this type of page. Now you can tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. Now you can tap on settings, and here you will just simply scroll down, tap on privacy and security. Now you can just simply scroll down and here you will see the option sensitive content. Now make sure you can disable this option, and after this the sensitive content is disabled on Telegram. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks.